Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, TechG is all about the latest tech and gadgets. With today's video, we are going to have a look at this smart home accessory made by Govee. This is the Lyra smart floor lamp, and you can customize it with the smart app as well as use it with the smart voice assistant like Google or Amazon Alexa. If you are fancy getting one, please check the link in the description down below. Well, without further ado, let's get started. In terms of the packaging, you get the lamp inside this colorful retail box. Product features and smart app details, including the picture of the floor lamp, has been printed on it, and you can use the QR code to download the smart app. As far as the unboxing concerned, you do get the lamp base. It has some weight on it and can see the Govee name printed. Then you get these metal pieces for the lamp pole, a power adapter, a pack of screws, a screwdriver that has a magnetic force which is very convenient when assembling the lamp. Then this remote controller and the magnetic base, LED light strip, and last user guide and a service card. When it comes to the installation, I managed to put it all together within 10 minutes thanks to the clear printed instructions. All you need to do is just assemble the lamp pole and insert it into the lamp base. Then install the silicone light strip after carefully connected with the wires for electricity. Then the last bit, connect the power adapter to the lamp base. Furthermore, you can attach the remote control holder to the lamp pole. When it comes to the design and the build, this lamp is 4.7 feet in height and has a silver finish. It supports Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and uses Bluetooth to connect with the smartphone. Overall, it has a lengthy power cable. Having said that, it has a small microphone inbuilt for music mode, so colors can be changed according to the sound rhythm. To get access to the smart app, you can simply scan the QR code or search the Govee Home Smart app. This app is available in both App Store and Google Play Store. Once downloaded, you can create an account to log in and can fully customize the floor lamp. Before we check the app features, let's quickly have a look at the remote controller. Well, this is very compact in size and has on, off and music mode buttons on the bottom part. Furthermore, you get a small control wheel with the color change option in the middle, brightness controller, and option to change the colors from warm white to cool. Well, with the app you can select so many different color options under different categories. Frankly, you get so many color variants and can choose according to different modes. It supports multicolors in line with gradient transition. You can use the on-screen guide to choose or mix and match the colors you want to display, even control the brightness. It has 25 different light effects. You can choose from nature light effects like sunrise, sunset, ocean, and lifestyle effects like movies, romantic and fireworks, then festival effects like Christmas and Halloween, etc. Well, let's quickly check few of those light effects from the list. You get 6 music modes with this smart lamp thanks to the inbuilt microphone. Furthermore, you can adjust the sensitivity to create more colorful vibes. Well, you can use this floor lamp to watch movies, play games, as it provides perfect ambience background that blends with any sort of entertainments. With the DIY option, you can create your own lighting effect and share it with Govee App community. Furthermore, you can program this light to work as a wake up or sleep light. The app will allow you to choose the dates including the time you want to program. You can completely control the lamp using Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. In my case, I managed to sync with my Alexa easily just following the on-screen instructions. You can turn on or off the light or even can change the colors by voice commands. So at the end, what do I think of this Lyra smart floor lamp? Well, this is kind of all-in-one smart light option for living room or bedroom. You can use this as a general floor lamp that serves the purpose of use as a reading light or as a mood light. Same time, you can use the music option or use ambient light option to entertain yourself. LEDs inside is very bright and I like the freedom of customization via the Govee smart app. More importantly, I can use it hands-free with the Amazon Alexa. So with that all being said, feel free to let me know what do you think about this Govee Lyra lamp in the comment section below. If you like the content, please hit the like and do consider subscribing to see more videos like this. Well, see you again with another one and stay safe.